I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about a bird that has pink feet. The orange-breasted green pigeon. The orange-breasted green pigeon is a bulky green pigeon of forested areas. Found across tropical Asia, south of the Himalaya, across parts of the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Male has a bright orange breast with a pink upper quarter and a powder blue nape. Female is green overall with a fainter blue-grey nape patch than the male. It feeds mainly on small fruit. They may be found in pairs or in small flocks, foraging quietly and moving slowly on trees. Their calls are like locally named Laya Ran BataGoya. I have seen the orange-breasted green pigeon at Sembuwatta lake. As mentioned before, Sembuwatta lake is a man-made lake surrounded by forested areas.